I've been getting a lot of messages about a tiny little section of a video that I produced a few weeks ago. And in that video, I showed you how to tie a set of rope handcuffs in a method that I think is different from everybody else on the internet. It's definitely much quicker. So I'll show you how to do it. Even though it's nothing to do with navigation, you know, it seems that some people are interested, so I'll show you how it's done. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of rope. So I've got quite a lot here, so I'll just use one. I'd suggest get quite a thick piece of rope, just because it makes it much easier. The way this is normally done is just simply form two loops like this. This is how everybody else on the internet does it. Pass one behind the other, and then pass the two ends through the central. It's a bit like a clove hitch, and there you have a set of handcuffs. These types of knots which form handcuffs they're actually really useful to cave rescue teams and firefighters, because you can attach them to people's arms or legs and then pull somebody out of an enclosed space. Also, farmers use them quite often to tie the forelegs or the rear legs of animals together, you know, if they don't want them running off. But my method, as I said, is much faster than this, so I'll show you how I do it. So the first thing to do is hold your rope so that one hand is facing upwards and one hand is facing downwards. So it's just holding it like this. Bring your hands together, and this forms a loop in the rope. Okay, so it's just from there to there. Bring your hands together, and all you're going to do is this hand, the hand that's facing downwards, is going to reach through the loop and grab this rope that's hanging down. So it's there, and grab it. The other hand, which is facing upwards, is going to go and grab the other rope that's hanging down. So you're now holding the two ropes which are hanging down, and then simply keep holding them and pull it. How simple is that? I'll do it again. I'll do it from the other direction so you can see it from the front. So here, two hands, push them together, form a loop. This hand grabs onto this rope, and this hand grabs onto this rope. So it's like this. So you're grabbing the two downwards ropes and then simply pull them apart. And there's your handcuffs. Now once you can do that, raise your arms up, and that's when the loop is formed. So it's there, like this, okay? So up, and the loop is formed. And on the way down, as the rope falls, reach through and pull. So at full speed, it should look something like this. So it goes up, and it's there. Okay, I'll do that one more time. It's actually more difficult to do this slowly. Up, grab, and it comes down. Once you can do it proficiently, it should look something like this. Okay, and that is how you throw the rope up in the air and form a set of handcuffs.